I'm going to show you how to add a little bit of content before duplicating your pages. So in Dreamweaver, I'm going to go ahead and just click off to the side. And before I do that, I just want to click on this edge to see how big that table was. So looking at 1024. Yours might be different, so right on the edge that'll kind of tell you that. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a shift return just so it goes right below. You could do a hard return, and that'll give you a space if you want that. And then I'll go ahead and go to insert and go do a table, and I'm just going to go ahead and do one row for now, and you could do two, and one column for now. Change that up to 1024 so it matches the rest of my site, and then go ahead and click OK with all those other things zeroed out. So first problem I've got is right now I need to click on that and basically tell it to center it. So I just select it and go ahead and do a center. So it centers that out on there, and then I can start entering in my content in there. So I might just do a couple hard returns in there, and then once I have that kind of set up, I'm going to use this as my content area. So I think I'll also add in maybe one more table inside of that table so that I can kind of get some things going. So I'll go ahead and do another table, and instead of doing the 1024, I'm just going to back off a little bit and just maybe just do 1000. That'll also give me some spacing on both edges. So go ahead and click OK. Grab that table and center that too, so it's centered in there. So, and this is kind of where I'll start laying out the bulk of my page, adding in text in there if I want to, images, whatever I find necessary to put in there. So I'll go ahead and save that now. And to get the rest of my pages, currently if I look at my website, I only have the home page, which is this one right here. So I'm just going to now name all these according to what I set up the links as. So I need a gallery page, it looks like. I need a About Us page. So I can click on those to kind of see how I spelled it, the About Us. I left out a space. So I'll go ahead and just go File, Save As, and I'll just start creating those. So I'll just name it Gallery and make sure I'm going into the right spot. So looks like I am. So Gallery. And right now we're just basically, it's the exact same page, nothing different. The only difference is just the name right now. So About Us, and then File, Save As, and then I'll do my store. So once I get all those in there, and they'll also show up all as tabs right now, now I can start going in and just changing little subtle things. So maybe I'll just type in a couple basic things and save them just so I know what's on those pages, and then I can change that later when I need to. And then change that one. And once I have those saved, I'm just doing a Command S to save. You can also go up to File, Save. Once I've done that, I'll go ahead and maybe just preview one of those. And so if I go to Publish in a browser and just go to Firefox, now I can kind of look at my site. So now I should just be able to click on each of those, and it should go to those spots. And I've basically created my web page. Now I just need to finish out the content.